Today, we're going to talk about love. And love is the foundation of all human connections and the driving force behind our actions. And it's the key to unlocking the potential of our lives. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm Dreyer and I'm a modern day alchemist. And let's talk about love. And love is an essential ingredient for a modern day alchemist, as it enables us to create a life filled with purpose, a life filled with joy, a life filled with abundance. So when we choose to approach the world with love, we create an immense positive energy that attracts more of the same. On the quantum level, like attracts like. In the Newtonian level, we're going to find that opposites attract. But on the spiritual, on the quantum level, this is what we want. We want to be with like-minded people, people that vibrate at the same level that we are vibrating. And to be in an environment like that, for example, my masterclass that I'm presenting, I can't wait for Tuesdays to happen, to be in the presence of these students that are like-minded. The moment that we start getting in that vibration of love, we're going to have more fulfilling relationships. There's going to be greater opportunities. And of course, there's going to be a deeper sense of inner peace. The one thing that I think we should also understand is that love is not just a romantic feeling. Most people associate love for some crazy reason, maybe because of the society and the internet and stuff like that, with something romantic. And it's definitely not an emotion that is reserved for just a few people. It is a state of being that can be cultivated by anyone that is willing to put in the effort. In other words, again, we're back to this thing. We have to take the responsibility. We have to put in the time and the effort to cultivate the skill of love. Love is not something that we can force or control, but rather it's a choice that we make to act with kindness, with compassion, with understanding, and towards others as well as towards ourselves. Normally, we associate love that we need to love others, but love is something that unless we love ourselves, is going to be extremely difficult to love others. And some people are in such a state of mind that it's almost impossible for them to even think that they can love themselves. And therefore, it's going to take a lot of effort and it's going to take a lot of energy for some. To others, it's a natural process. So if I can give you a small task that maybe can help you with this quality, then today, just take one person in your life that maybe you are taking a little bit for granted. And then what about making an effort to show them love through maybe small acts of kindness or appreciation? Maybe just tell that person how beautiful he or she is, or how you appreciate them, or that you can see that they're putting more time and effort in order to provide for the family or to clean the house or something like that. It's something small, but it's the start. It's by taking that action. Look at that result. Sometimes you're going to get an incredible result or a response. Other times it's what's going on here. But then do it again and do it again until you break through, because we are so conditioned that if someone gives us attention, that there must be something that we are missing, or what do they want from us? Just do it out of goodness and because of love. So maybe an action step or action steps that you can take to improve your ability to cultivate more love in your life. What about by starting practicing self-love? What about treating yourself with the same kindness and compassion that you would give other people? You cannot believe how many times I see where people are so hard on themselves that they cannot love themselves. And this is a game that we are playing. This whole to be alive is a game, but we can set up the rules of the game, and that's our ability. So sometimes people make it as difficult as possible for themselves to love themselves. Don't do that. Make it easy and focus on having compassion and kindness with yourself. Make a conscious effort to connect with others in a meaningful way. whether through volunteering, maybe spending quality time with the loved ones, or simply being in the present and interact with other people. And then maybe finally try to approach the world with an open heart and a willingness to see the good in others. My friend, I know sometimes you're going to say in that way, there's no good in that person. But if you're really going to look for it, you will find the good in others. That's a promise. So in the comment section, share your story or a story about a time when you choose to act with love and how it impacted your life or the life of other peoples that you interact with. The last thing that I want to say today about love is that love is the foundation of all that is, all the good that is in the world. And it has the power to transform our lives in a way that we never, ever thought possible. By choosing to live with love, we open ourselves up to a world of endless possibilities, my friend. And that is going to create a ripple effect that can impact those around us. Not only yourself, but your family, your friends, society as a whole. The essence of being a modern day alchemist is love. And then I want you to always remember that our beliefs, our qualities, our skills, that is what's going to determine our destiny. And therefore, it's our responsibility to cultivate these, to gain the skills in order to master each and every one of these qualities that we are discussing during these 91-day period. So thanks so much for your time, and I can't wait to see you in the next lesson.